Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high. Plaguing us at the edge of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day. Leo is harmony, mind, body, and spirit. How do you find harmony within all the spheres of your life? Do not take for granted, my kings, my queens, my rajas, my emperors. To all your needs are being satisfied. It may not be the way that you want it right now, but it's transcending. And as long as you keep on moving forward, it's going to turn into the reality that you want. But being at peace, mind, body, and spirit. For the things that you're trying to learn about, research, read, exercise your mind. Make sure you take your morning walk, sit-ups, crunches, push-ups, whatever you can do to exercise that body. And then also have a prayer life, meditation life, and go out into the elements, enjoy the natural energy of the sunlight. And be able not just to talk, but actually listen. Be at peace, and that's how you exercise your spirit. I open up myself to the divine being within me. I am an image of God. You're the image of God. How can you lose? How can you not be confident? How can you not be calm when you have evolved from being frustrating, a wildfire that can burn the whole world, to be the image of the one who created the world? I have the power to bring light into my life, turn any darkness into me into something beautiful. In the absence of resentment, anger, and doubt, I find harmony. The rules of the universe, our bodies are magnets. We attract what we want. Let that be only positivity, love, and abundance, and appreciation, and gratitude. These are going to bring the life experiences and enjoyment in your life that you are looking for. That's the secret. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself.